Camp Nou is slowly, but surely, transforming into a modern football fortress once again. With every new structure and every installed element, the stadium is regaining its identity and power. In today's video, we'll take a detailed walk around the site to see the real progress up close. Before we continue, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of the latest Camp Nou updates and future walkthroughs. The Tribuna and Lateral areas now feel much clearer and more structured. Most of the key elements in this zone are already in place, giving a strong sense of how massive and well-organized this section will look once fully completed. The Lamas remain one of the most striking visual elements of the renovation. In the lateral areas, almost all of them are already positioned on their supports. Only a few specific sections between sectors are still pending, but overall, this part of the stadium already looks very advanced. One of the most impressive developments is the steady rise of the compression ring. Huge structural pieces continue to be installed, showing just how complex and ambitious this roof system is. Piece by piece, the future cover of Camp Nou is taking shape above us. Several key pillars are now clearly visible, especially around the corners and lateral areas. These pillars will play a crucial role in supporting the compression ring and the roof. Seeing multiple teams working around them shows how important this phase of construction is. Here we can see the radial beams up close, and their size is simply impressive. These beams will carry enormous weight once the roof is installed. Standing near them really gives perspective on the engineering challenge behind this renovation. In the corner zones, most of the main supports for the Lamas are already installed. Some diagonal elements are still pending in certain sectors, but the structure is clearly prepared for the next steps. The progress here is steady and well organized. Moving into the Gol Norte area, we can see clear progress across different levels. Upper and lower supports for the Lamas are already in place in several sections, and more are gradually being added. This area is getting closer to its final configuration. Inside the structure, work continues across multiple interior levels. From scaffolding to elevated platforms, different teams are active in preparing the internal areas that will later host facilities, walkways, and VIP zones. What's clear is that 2026 will be a key year for visible progress, especially with the compression ring and structural elements. Looking ahead, the installation of the roof will be the defining moment that completes the transformation of Camp Nou. Another important detail is the installation of pipes around the corner areas. These pipes have been extending section by section since last week, and now already run through most of the corner. This kind of work may seem secondary, but it's essential for the stadium's long-term functionality. While from the outside things may look calm at times, there is constant activity inside the structure. Workers can be seen on scaffolding, staircases, and interior platforms, preparing internal zones, technical areas, and future VIP spaces that fans don't usually notice from afar. The glass panels near the diamond zones remain a key visual element. Many are already installed up to the first access points, while others are staged and ready for the next phase. Once completed, these areas will dramatically change the look and feel of the stadium exterior. Gol Norte continues to show solid progress across different levels. Supports are largely in place, with some diagonal elements still pending. Visually, the stand already looks very complete, and it feels closer and closer to finally opening to fans. With every walk around the stadium, the scale of this transformation becomes clearer. From structural pillars to radial beams, Lamas, glass panels, and interior works, Camp Nou is steadily moving toward its future. Step by step, this iconic stadium is being rebuilt to stand among the greatest once again. If you enjoyed this update, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps the channel grow, and it ensures you stay connected with every new Camp Nou progress update. See you in the next one.